Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to Muskan's Life. Today guys, I'm going to teach you how to do a chest stand roll by doing a back bend and then roll through. But first, before I get to this video, subscribe, smash the like button right now, and those who have been watching me in Pakistan or do not remember to subscribe to me, give me watch time even more. And now let's get started. Before you guys know, before to do anything else, you need to stretch. You can even start from the bottom or you can even do a back bend. So there are two options. You can either do a back bend or you can either do a bridge. So then we put on and roll like that. Okay guys, but let's stretch. So you need to know how to do the back bend. So we're going to start in a very easy way, back bend. You can even do like straighten your feet. You can even do a chair. You can even put your feet together. Now get up. Alright, now let's try to get to the roll through. You already know how to do the back bend, right? So you need to know how to roll. You can even do it on the mat or you can even do it on a pillow. But with pillows are so easy, it's so comfortable, you can just roll. So to roll through, you need to put your chest over here like this, straight, and then you put your feet and you overextend them and then roll back. So like this. You can either do it in this direction, you can even do it in that direction. But I'm going to do it with this direction. Then you put your chest over and go through. That's very easy. If you do it on tiles or anything, you can get hurt. You can do it, but you can get hurt, and that will be not good. So do not do it on rough places. Do it on soft places so they can roll good. Or you can do a back bend and then carefully roll. You can either hold the chin stand, but okay, that was a chin stand roll. Now I'm going to show you how to do a chin stand and hold it like pull over there your head. So in the back bend first, put your arms on this. Alright guys, that's the end of my video. Remember, subscribe, smash that like button right now, comment down below, and subscribe to me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.